What's happening, you legends? We got a little bit of work to do on the pit bike today, and I think that you guys are gonna find the results absolutely shocking. Let's hit it. Alrighty, so all jokes aside, the rear shock on my pit bike is just absolutely finished. We've decided let's go and replace it with a proper shock, a DNM rear shock. So let me show you guys what the current shock's doing and why we're replacing it. And then let's pop this bad boy in and give it a test. Here's the Motovert over here. We got a sort of generic Chinese shock on the back, a set of Zokes up in the front, so it's worth putting a decent shock in. And you'll be able to see here the movements I get. Let's just lift it up to the front tire, it touches. You can see that movement we get on the bushes. We can't get those bushes, so it just makes it a little bit unfortunate. With that said though, we're definitely going to go for the upgrade and chuck the DNM shock in. Okay, so now the big advantages of a shock like this is they're just built a little bit stronger. You've got a really nice clicker for your rebound. You can obviously adjust your spring up top, so adjustability is quite nice, and setting it up to the bike should be pretty simple. I think this is going to be a really nice addition to the bike and actually just finish the bike off nicely. So let's go ahead and pop this on. Here you can see the problem with this shock. This bush has really been shot and it was just giving a bunch of play. So the new one will sort all of that out. Oh damn, that's looking good in there. I can't believe it. We still got access to all the clickers, still got adjustability there, and then we have access to the spring control as well, which we can pull down if need be.